welcome back to See Today Business. It's time for some market insights. So let's delve deeper into the IDX performance, where we are now joined by Astronacci founder and CEO Gemma Guyardi. Thank you for coming and joining us.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Always good to have you in the studio because we always learn so much. So we're going to go straight away to the Indonesian stock market updates, right? What do you have?
So we have a painful week. Like the price tumbled and a lot of investors so confused what happened, especially after Trump won the election and the JCI even worse, including the gold and everything. But I can see that we have the Thanksgiving cycle coming and the sun will move in Capricorn on the 21st of December, which is statistically, it will have a bullish trend. And then looking for the price action, we'll see now ABC correction. So this is all the ABC correction based on the Elliott wave theory. And we believe the price is already hitting the lowest part for October month. And then now within the November, at least it's going to be sideways or back to higher price like 7,618 or we can make it like 7,650, something like that. So we're looking for a rebound weeks, and then all investors and traders, they can relax a bit.
Wow, that's certainly some good news. And what about the BBRI?
BRI is my favorite stock. So it's same tumble with the JCI. Let me bring you back to the JCI for a while if you can.
Yeah, we can.
You can see here there's a vibrational date because the Sun and Neptune will meet in the trine aspect in 18 to 19 November in 2024.
Okay.
That will be the next expected upside target. So we have room for another bullish trend until the 19th November. So let's go to BRI. Of course, since this stock is also the market movers, and you can see the same deal, A, B, C correction as well. So this will be the next path of BRI with the final target of 6,400. So if you're looking for 6,400 and now it's about 4,500, we're looking at 30 plus more percentage for profit opportunity.
So would you say this would be a perfect time to buy?
Yeah, I think this is going to be a little bit higher and then go down a bit, right? And then continue this path. So you can start from now, like accumulatively buying, and then when the price make a little corrections, like maybe multiple days correction, then we can add. As long as the price is not declining way more than 4,200, we believe that will be the new bottoms, and then we'll keep update on that.
Wow. There you go. Some very, very cute insights. So what about IDX Energy?
Yeah, we're looking at the energy. Since Trump won the election, we see a strong correlation between the energy stock and the U.S. election, especially when the Republican won the battle. And in this case, we're looking to the IDX sector of energy index. It looks like the bearish has completed with the divergence here, and then the falling wedge pattern. We're looking at the upside target to 2,961, and of course that will affect energy stocks. So I bring you another stocks from the energy sectors. This will be a coal.
Oh, coal.
Coal, yeah.
Do you have any other stocks that you recommend?
Adaro for the coal.
Yeah.
Right? And then we have the PDBA, ITMG, and Adaro. And this time I'm going to bring you Adaro, and then we are looking for a vibrational date on the 18th of November 2024. That will be the new resistance, but regardless whether it's going to go higher to the new all-time high or not, but we will find any time reversal around the 18th November, but the final target price for another 2 months will be 4,650.
Oh, interesting. Now, we've mentioned, how the Trump win has affected the world's stock markets. And what do you have for us here?
So the correlation is pretty strong. Any U.S. elections that accepted by the market will bring a bullish trend for U.S. index. And then in this case, we're looking to the NASDAQ, and it appreciated about 6.5%, right? And then I believe the trend will be like this and go up again. And we're looking at 23,000 for NASDAQ until the end of the year.
Oh, some really good
And of course, NASDAQ index will get beneficiary also with the technology stock, and then we're looking for the next stocks. When the Trump, but before that, we're looking for the Q3 reports. We have the U.S. large cap stocks and the small cap stock. They are all in the green area, and they're improving, and then that's solid quarter. So that will boost the performance of U.S. stocks.
So it's been pretty green since Trump actually won.
Yeah, because market likes that. And we're looking for the next slide, is fine?
Yes.
That's a Tesla, and Tesla will get a lot of beneficiary. As you can see as well in the news that Elon
was appointed a government position.
Yeah, supported Trump so much, and then we got 3-point expectation for business-friendly policies, infrastructure and manufacturing investment, interest rate policies that will support Tesla. That's a 45% gain, but remember, there's a lot of gap here. If you want to enter Tesla, you wait for another correction, then wait until it's going higher and higher. But this will be a future stocks for NASDAQ.
This is a really, really big jump. But last time you were here, actually predicted a 30% rise.
Exactly, yeah.
And
it's happened now.
And it's actually over 40%.
Yeah.
So the trend looks like it's going to keep on going up.
That will be a long-term gain like Nvidia, but you need to wait until at least a correction before you jump. Don't get a FOMO in this.
Don't get a FOMO on this. It's a great note. So we're going to move on to the next one. So
that's Bitcoin.
Yes.
So my prediction was 90,000, and finally it's reached like 2 days ago.
Yeah.
So every time there's a correlation, we learn about the cycle, U.S. presidential election compared to the Bitcoin, the result will always be all-time high. So in this case, we're looking to the new target, 114,000. That's for the Bitcoin.
Yeah. So when are we going to hit another record, the next record?
Yeah, I mean, now it's consolidated in the 80 to 85,000, something like that. And then still we're looking for this number probably in the next 2-3 months. Let's see in the January, but at least we got a numbers that's a new numbers. For all investors that want to hold the Bitcoin, they have the new target from Astronacci, 114,000.
Wow. So before I let you go, I really want to ask about how is gold doing right now?
So gold is declining, right? But we're looking at another bullish movement when the sun moves in Capricorn, the 3rd week of December.
Yeah.
And when we see the gold now declining, there's Mercury retrograde cycle end of November. There will be a pause for downside movement. Okay, there will be another maybe a week of break. The price gonna go up and then down again, and then end of December, they're gonna be a rally again.
Wow. So, Pak Gemma, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
As always, a pleasure to have you in the studio
with
your really cool insights, because I think we're going to note the 18th of November, especially if you're actively trading right now. It might be a good time to take a look, right?
Yeah, let's make money together.